Hey there, so that's the idea how you can see if who are the people signing up into your ads, right? So once you are here in your ads manager, click here performance, right? So customize the columns. So see, you can customize the column. So here you can check here page bottom links, sorry, website, here. Okay. Website card conversion of your card purchase. Since this is just an example, you can select here. You can website lead, who's the website lead. Check how much is. Okay. Here one, the website leads. Website continues, and then there you can apply that one. Right, example of this is to check. I have here some, and this one ghost. Okay, if you have a card, this one, then click apply. You have to customize, right? You apply, then you can see here, customize this one. In my ads, this one, let's see, website leads, so many leads, okay, total of leads, this one, 204. Okay, so that's it. I hope you get a value in this, and thank you for watching. Just click here and then customize, right? Customize, so you will see how many unique link clicks, landing page views, or else CTR, reach. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learn. Bye bye.